I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easy.
All right, everybody. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today, we are going to take a little walk from Daú actually up to Balibago, and try to go into the Oktoberfest and see what's going on there. So we're going to take a little walk. We decided not to bring our motorcycle, and as you can see, the traffic is pretty intense behind us already, and it's all backed up here all the way up to the bus station. So let's take a walk here. All right, so as you can see, the traffic is already crazy, and Humberto just got back from Balibago, and he said it was crazy down there with traffic and everything. So we are going to do this little light walk. The sun is about to go down, and it's not too hot. All right, we reached MacArthur up here in Daú, and traffic doesn't look all that bad, even though I think once we get down towards Balibago, it's probably going to be crazy, because the MacArthur is shut down completely, from what I understand, and they're rerouting traffic through Mountain View and all kinds of places. Just watch me. But it's a nice evening. Sun is settling in. And we're gonna have a good time. So, Oktoberfest is what? You have like entertainment down there.
Yeah.
It was so long ago. I know we went once.
3 years ago.
3-4 years ago.
Oh, wow.
All right, we better watch where we're going here. They're cutting us off. The walkways are kind of difficult here. Here we go, the police station. My wife says I'm walking too fast, so I got to slow down. Walk behind you. All right, so this is One North Mall. It's One North Mall is a new establishment. They just opened that in the last year here, and we've never been here, but it looks like there's pretty much sold out as far as tenants goes in here. So what's this? Rock for the cause? What is that? Ah, look who's playing. Look who's playing. Friction band.
Yeah, money. Oh,
Money. All right.
Oh, they also said that.
Yeah, they're playing here tonight, I guess. So
300 per ticket if you want to bucket drinks. Oh my gosh.
it's 300 to get in. Oh, we'll get there. We'll have to bite off and get in. Well, 300 per ticket is not that much.
Oh, that one is lunch now.
Yeah, I think last time we went it was 200, but that's 4 years ago. So 300 per ticket. Well, what is that? That's for those who counts in dollars, about $6 to get in.
Yeah.
But it does come with one free drink, so you get a beer or whatever you want, I guess. And you can drink that beer. You buy a beer, it's going to be $2-3 anyway. So really have to be careful here because consideration in traffic is non-existent, basically. And right here, right halfway in between Dao and Balibago, you have a lot of tire repair places, and one of these I go to when I need new tires for my motorcycle and stuff. From local computer store. Here's a little hotel. Now the traffic is thickening up for sure, pretty good here. So as we are getting in late in the evening. But we're almost in Balibago. It's not very far now. We're just coming down on, this is the major jeepney pickup right here, right by the park. So we might take a jeepney back later on tonight. All right, so we are down here by the park, and traffic is not coming from everywhere because as we proceed on the other side here of this road, traffic is pretty much shut down going into Balibago. Some police officers are out serving tonight. And right across here you have you got the park. It's tight here. All right, so what does that say? 35 days, 6 hours? No, that's for the Asian Games. Yeah, that's a big event in Clark. Hold on. Right, I guess we can go this way. It is crazy here. Yeah, Asian Games starts in 35 days, 6 hours, 12 minutes. And they
I know. Inside Clark.
yeah, it's inside Clark.
Yeah.
And they prepared the park here for that. So right now they're not letting people in there, but I think they're going to opening it for the Asian Games.
Yeah.
And it's a really nice little park. All right, so we're coming down to Balibago here, and we're going to stroll around a little bit and look at things. We are going to try to go. We're going to try to go and walk up Walking Street a little bit. Somebody told me they had a motorcycle exhibition up there, so we're going to go there and see if that's true. If they do, we're going to get some of that footage put on here. All right. So, okay, so they are turning the traffic up there. Okay.
Yeah, on the other lane is traffic. This other lane is not.
Yeah, they're guiding the traffic up through. If you go to Angeles, you have to go through Marquee Mall, I think. As past those cars down there, there is absolutely no way to get through here with a car or motorcycle for that matter. Are you okay, hon? No balut, thank you. That is one thing I have not even dared to try yet. My wife wants to have a balut challenge, so we'll see. Maybe one day we do it. Matter of fact, she's never tried it either, so it'd be a challenge for both of us. What?
They blocked the way over there.
Yeah. They blocked off here, so now this all traffic goes up through to Marquee Mall,
Yeah.
and you cannot get through here. All right, I guess we just walk. I guess we just walk. All right, yeah, so the party has started, and music is exorbitantly loud, but anyway, that's how it is in Philippines. That wraps this little video up, and stay tuned for a couple of upcoming videos. We're going to take you inside the Oktoberfest event. We're going to take you up to the walked-in street, and we're going to go through there. Thank you for watching. God bless. Share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.